So we had a 3-hour layover from Charlottesville. No, I don't even know where we are. We're in North Carolina. I know that. I think we're in Seattle. No. I don't know where I'm at. All I know is that I have to wait 3 hours and we can get on a flight to Orlando, get in our hotel room, sleep early, wake up early, get to the boat, get everything set up, and hopefully everything works out. I'm excited for the boat. I've never been on a boat, so this is gonna be cool. Anyway. Oh, hey everybody. So short little recap of today. Woke up really early, around 5, went to bed at about 4. Got in an airplane for about 4.5 hours, did about a 3-hour layaway, met some really cool people on the plane for the next flight from North Carolina, Charlotte, to Orlando, Florida. We're at the Orlando, Florida Universal Studios Hotel. I think it's the Cabana Bay or something like that. I think it's something like that. It's something pretty cool. Anyways, so we're hanging out here. We're gonna sleep here tonight. Then we're gonna get a ride back to the airport. Get on the bus for the Disney cruise. Get on the Disney cruise for about 7 more days. Hopefully that's awesome. I'm not very skeptical. I mean, I am. But I'm sure it'll be awesome. Anyway, so it's 11:30 at night. It's almost 12. I want to go to bed. So that goes day 1. Good night. It's a nice little view. Parking lot. And then bam. What are we doing today? We're gonna get on a boat, right?
Yeah.
And then what else?
I have no idea.
That's it. We're just gonna get on a boat?
Yeah, we're getting on a boat. Oh, there's not much you can do when you're on a boat.
Okay, we're gonna be like Lonely Island. Like the 4 Musketeers. Well, I guess 3.5.
going, Jacob? Where are we going?
Oh man, there's a ship. And look at all this traffic. Look at all this traffic. Traffic. It's been stopped for like 40 minutes now. It's crazy. We're just trying to go right there. We're gonna hop the fence in a second. We're just gonna hop the fence. Or get one of the rides with one of these new cars. We're just gonna get a ride with these cars right here. Here, jump on the red car. Look at this TV! Look at this TV!
The Disney cruise.
Yay! Let's leave our stuff here. You got it? There's a bunk that comes.
So this is pretty dope. The Disney cruise is it's like the screen is fogging up. Let me get that real quick. There's a little fog on your guys' faces. Yeah, let me get that. Looks like you're good. Anyways, before you fog up again, I just want to tell you guys how awesome this trip is. It's absolutely amazing. I recommend it. I recommend it to anybody. It was pretty cool that today during the bus, somebody got hit. So we were there in the bus for a little bit. There's a lot of traffic, a ton of traffic. And then after that, we went down to the whatever the sign-in, check-in. That was super easy, super simple. And then after that, we did the safety meeting, so everyone could see like, oh, this goes here, if this happens, you go here, what the sound means, you know, all that cool stuff. And I'm just trying to figure out and settle into the groove that we're actually on the cruise now. So it's pretty cool now. But dude, this view is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Stunning. I mean, if you ever wanted to feel tiny, definitely take a cruise ship. Because you're in such a massive thing, and yet you're so tiny. It's hard to explain. Anyways, I just came back from the movie theater. The movie theater was cool. The movie theater's sick, really cool. They just keep playing movies all day. It's just super cool. Like, you know, everyone leaves, the movie doesn't start, they clean the place up, make sure the popcorn and everything, and then another person comes in. It's just, Disney's seamless, bro. They're seamless. Seamless things. I mean, I guess there's just family stuff now. I'll give you guys a cool little preview, but I really want to enjoy the rest of my day, so no more vlogging. Gonna go get something to eat, get something to drink. I'll take you along on the other things. I'll take you along to the islands, the destinations. We're going to 3 different destinations, so that's gonna be cool. And then after that is Disney World, so that'll be pretty cool too. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow.